What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Jaisha and I'm about to show you my summer hair care routine for frizz-free curls that will last and hold up for at least a week in the humidity. Spoiler alert, it's not very different from my normal routine, but I'm gonna tell you why it makes a difference in the summertime. As you can see, I just washed my hair, deep conditioned, steamed, all that good stuff, and actually, hold on, let me find it. And then I went in with this Sacred Moisture Sealing Lotion, I guess kind of like as my leave-in conditioner. I put this in while my hair was still wet, right after I washed out my deep conditioner. I'm pretty sure I got this as a free sample the last time I bought something from their website. I think it's pretty hydrating, but I don't use it often. I guess it's a decent leave-in. And then for my actual styler, I am using the Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel with Kukui Oil. You guessed it, yes, I know. This has been my favorite gel lately. This is all I have been using for the past few weeks for my wash and go because it is so good. It works so well, particularly in these summer months. Let me tell you about it. I have not used these two products together before, so I am waiting to see how they perform together. I did do a little patch test on my hand before mixing them, so there shouldn't be a problem. You know, one day I'm gonna be one of those people that uses the same brand consistently from start to finish. You know, the shampoo, the conditioner, the styling products, all from the same brand all the time. But today is not that day. So recently I was asked how I get my hair to last in the humidity. Obviously summer just started. It has been very hot and humid, and I was out and about one day and someone asked me, how do you get your hair to, she was like, your hair looks so good, how do you get it to last and not frizz up when it's so humid outside? So I told her I use a gel, like that's really it. I use a leave-in conditioner and I usually use a gel, and the young lady was telling me that she always uses a mousse for her wash and go, and she was like, it looks great on day one, but by day two her hair is super frizzy and she has to do it all over again. And so I was just giving her advice like, yeah, try using a gel. And it didn't dawn on me until that moment that I don't really ever worry about my hair when it comes to the weather. Like, I don't worry about the temperature affecting my wash and go and like making my hair look crazy. Whether it's cold, rainy, windy, whatever it is, like I'm never thinking I need to do something specific for my hair so that outside doesn't ruin it. Obviously I'm not outside in like pouring rain with no umbrella, but if it's a little bit misty or it's drizzling, I'm not tripping and like afraid to go outside or run to my car because my hair is gonna get frizzy. I'm just like, whatever. I don't really, I mean, when I have my hair in a wash and go, not when I have a silk press, completely opposite. Even in the summertime, the humidity doesn't really affect my hair all that much. Not that it doesn't affect it at all, but it really is not much of a factor because I use gels. I know you guys know my love for gels and stronghold gels, and I am super particular about the gels that I like and what I use on my hair, but it's really just a matter of the definition and the hold that they provide. Like, especially when it comes to the humidity, that cast is just, it's not getting through that gel cast, I'm telling you. I guess because I use it year round, I never really thought that I needed to do anything different for the summertime, and I honestly didn't even realize that the gel was protecting me and, you know, keeping my hair from getting frizzy and poofy in the summertime. Like a mousse or a curl cream, it is just not going to hold up in the summertime. You need that cast. Your hair wants to be held, okay? She wants to be held together. The humidity is not getting through a gel cast. I mean, okay, it can get through, but even if it kind of gets through a little bit, it's not going to ruin your hair to the point where you look like a chia pet. Using a gel with good hold You're gonna start out with a good amount of definition. You're good if you shingle your hair, you're not gonna have a lot of frizz. When you start out that way, it's just a little bit, it helps your style last, because even if your hair does get a little bit frizzy, it doesn't look crazy to the point where you would have to redo your hair, like restyle it or rewash it. Perfect example, this past weekend, I was at a barbecue, a little backyard get together, sitting outside. It was hot, it was humid, regular summertime things. The sun was out, I was outside for a few hours, and I thought that my hair had gotten a little bit frizzy. Like I couldn't see, but it just kind of felt like, is my hair getting poofy? And when I asked my friend, she was like, it looks the same as when you got here. So I went and looked at it, and I could see that, and it felt a little bit softer. And this was an old wash and go at this point. Like my hair wasn't fresh or new. I mean, I could see that the humidity had gotten in just a little bit, but it wasn't to the point where it really made my hair frizzy or made my wash and go like just be done. And this applies to if it's windy, if it's snowing, if it's raining, like whatever the weather is. I'm telling you, gel is the answer. Like recently, I started playing around with the idea of doing more stretched styles, like doing more braid outs and twist outs, because I thought it would be a little bit more helpful in retaining length, because we know how wash and goes give you a lot of single strand knots. The way that our hair shrinks and curls up on itself, that's the only downside to wash and goes in my opinion. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I should start doing a little bit more stretched styles and see if this makes a difference in retaining length for my hair, so that maybe I don't have to trim as much hair from getting so many single strand knots. But then I was like, wait a minute, it's the summertime and there's no way a twist out is holding up in the summertime. Like even using a gel, I don't know that a twist out would hold up in the summertime. Even just normally, I cannot get a twist out to last that long. I can't get a twist out to last as long as I can get a wash and go to last. So the summertime is probably even worse. Like I can't even imagine. I don't know. I just have this theory that even if I use a gel for a twist out or a braid out, I just feel like as soon as I step outside, the humidity is going to eat it right up, and it's just going to be a frizzy mess. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could try, instead of shutting down the idea, I could try to see, but I don't know. I don't know. Like my personal record for the longest that I've gotten a twist out to last is 4 days. And that was I don't even know how I got that, because I was so shocked when I got that 4-day twist out, and I haven't been able to get it since. Usually it's 2 days. So I just don't have time to be doing my hair every 2 days. Who has time to do that? Or to be retwisting your hair every night or every other night? I'm sorry, I ain't got it in me. No. When I'm doing a wash and go, I can get at least 5 days. Really, I could get it to 6 or 7 days, maybe 8, depending on how much frizz I'm willing to allow or what I'm doing. I usually rewash on the 7th or 8th day, but still overall 2 days versus 5 or 6 or 7 days, come on. Even if I could replicate that one miracle and get my twist out to last 4 days, it's still not as many days as I could get my wash and go to last. I mean, maybe I'm missing something. Tell me if you wear your hair in twist outs or braid outs during the summer months. What is your routine? How does it hold up? How long does it last? What are you using? All that stuff. Because maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. Some of my favorite gels for fighting against the humidity and just being frizz-free and having strong hold overall, I would say obviously this one, the Curl Days gel, has been really amazing for me my past few wash and goes. Like I said, I've been loving it, and my hair has been lasting at least 7 days. Also, the Miche Beauty Tropical Oasis Anti-Humidity Gel is a really good one. the Dew Big Papa Gel. I haven't used that in a long time. But then also the B-Girl Custard, and of course their most recent addition, the Bananas Extreme Gel. Really good. Now, I haven't had a chance to try the Bananas Gel in any humidity or extreme heat because I ran out, and now is when it's hot. But the type of hold that gel gives, I can't imagine that the summer weather would be able to make it frizz up or get poofy or anything like that. So those are just a few of the great ones that I can think of off the top of my head. Something that's really helpful to look for that I have found in trying to determine if a gel is going to work for me or not, meaning is it going to be strong hold, is it going to be frizz free, give you definition, is how it weighs your hair down. When you're applying the gel, if you can see, like this side of my hair, it's a little bit elongated. So that's what I have found has been a good sign of a gel that's gonna work really well for me. You will know right away, trust me, as soon as you apply it. So my hair is fully dried. And when I say fully, it's been a few hours this time, so it is fully dried. And I think I might switch to only diffusing my hair to dry it instead of sitting under the hooded dryer. I don't know, the results have just been looking better. I did a mixture today, but last week I just diffused and I liked it way better. Anyways, I love the fact that today I added that Sacred moisturizing lotion to my hair, and the gel didn't act any differently. It looks the same, it feels the same, which is a win because we have a little bit more moisture. So that's it for my summer curly hair routine. That's how I get these curls that fight frizz, fight humidity. And if you want to do the same, get you a good gel, shingle your hair, and thank me later. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you do with your hair in the summertime? Protective styling, twist outs, wash and goes, what is your routine? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.